Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to perform the first time setup of your Xiaomi robot. This is the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max, and I'll show you how to set it up for the first time, what to do in order to make it work correctly. So at first let's use our charging base, which as you can see is right here, and we will be setting it up. We'll do a few things. So I'll put the mopping pads aside. We will install them to the robot in just a little moment, and I'll put the robot aside as well. Now this part needs to be installed in front of the charging station in order to make sure it all the robot can slide onto it and also wipe down some excess water off the mopping pads. So let's do that. As we can see, it is now installed. Then on the top of the robot, charging station, you can open a lid. I know you cannot see it right now on the camera, but you can open a lid and take out the tanks. The tanks for the dirty and clean water. You can see this one is for the clean water. It has this white plastic and also this blue marking right here, and this one is for dirty water. Make sure the dirty water one is empty and the full water tank, the clean water tank is full. You can see the max level. It doesn't necessarily need to be full, but it's just filled, so your mopping is possible. You can just open it like so and close it until it clicks. Now let's put it back on. The clean water tank goes on the right side and the dirty one on the left side. Let me just put it in real quick. And now our charging base is done. You just need to plug it into the power. The power socket is on the right side of the back, so you can do that there. Plug it into power, and this white diode should light up. Now let's go to our robot. What we need to do is remove the bumper protection. I think it's on both sides. I only have it on one side. I think one just got lost somewhere. So you need to remove these bumper protections by just pulling them out. You can put them into the trash can or back into the box in case you want to sell the robot. It's just for protection of the bumper during transportation. Now the mopping pads, as I said, make sure they are attached with Velcro to those plastic pads, and then flip your robot over, and you can very easily install it by just putting them on. You can see I just put them on and they click with magnets. So that is super easy, and now we can slide the robot into the charging station so it turns on and begins to charge. To do it, you need to do it from the back. You can see on the back there are two little pins that will be charging, and also it's important that it's the back because the mopping pads go into the station so they can be cleaned there, dried, and everything else, and also automatically uninstalled. Now I'm gonna slide the robot in all the way. It should, the lights should turn on the robot. Probably we'll hear some kind of sound, and in a little moment we will be able to begin setting it up through the app. Now also it is worth checking whether our dust bag is installed. To do it, open these doors right here.
Start charging.
Open them by just pulling them forward, although okay, requires a little more force. Make sure you're pulling the down first, like so, this movement, because it has those notches at the top. Now you can see the dust bag is indeed installed here, in my case, so that is great. Now let's close the door and let's begin to set up the robot with the app. To begin setting up with the app, you'll need to download the app, which is available on both Android as well as on iPhones, and it is named Xiaomi Home. as you can see, Xiaomi Home, which in some regions may be named Mi Home. I think in the United States it may be called Mi Home, but I'm not really sure. Let's open it. Select that you've read and agree to the licenses, agree or not to the user experience program, which automatically sends all the data to your to Xiaomi, so they can diagnose any issues and something like that. Select the correct region. And now it tells you to sign in. So let's sign in with the Xiaomi account. You can also do Google or Facebook account or create an account by clicking on create account. I'll quickly sign in and get back to you. Now, once I am signed in, I can show you that I can click on try now to try like the new view of the app. Let's allow all the permissions. Notifications are optional, but all the other ones are very important so you can actually connect. Now, let's click on plus right here and tap add device. Then allow the permission. As you can see, the robot was automatically detected. If it wasn't, you could either select robot vacuum yourself here and find the correct model, or scan QR code, which you can find under the lid, I believe. I'll check that. Can you find it under the lid? I don't see it. So it may be on the bottom. No. Okay, I don't have the QR code anymore. If you still have it on your device, basically if you haven't removed the sticker, then you should be able to also scan it instead of searching for it manually. But as you can see, in my case, the device has shown here. Now, make sure you select a Wi-Fi network that your device will connect to. That is 2.4 gigahertz. You can see 5 gigahertz networks cannot be used for that device. So I will select the one here and enter its password so it can be sent directly into the robot and it can connect to your Wi-Fi. Agree to the user agreement and privacy policy and click on next. Now, wait for a little moment. It'll tell you to connect to the own Wi-Fi network generated from the robot so it can communicate with it and send all the data about the Wi-Fi and the connection and everything to the robot. So it will take a little moment, as we can see right here. I'll put the phone right there. Okay, it is connected successfully. Now select in which room you want to add the robot to. So virtually, you'll just see where, like, it is better for organization if you have multiple devices in the Xiaomi Home app. Now click on next. You can rename the robot if you wish, and you can also share the robot with anyone else who uses the Xiaomi account, like your family members. But I'll skip that for now. There will be a video on it though. Let's agree to the user agreement. Now I will skip the guide because I already know how to use the robot. And yeah, we are connected. There will be many more videos on the channel on the robot, so you may want to watch them. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.